I literally like heard the sound of the truck and I had to come out. Ah! Yo, I'm still sleeping. Like this shit is annoying. I'm still sleeping. 10:40. Didn't even get a call, right? I need to get to brush my teeth to come out.
TMI.
How you doing, boss?
Hey, my man, how you doing?
Doing good, doing good.
All right.
Did you call me?
No, I didn't call.
Oh, because I was like, I didn't get a call.
All right.
Oh, I got a sign for you.
Yeah, good day.
How you too, boss? Brush my teeth and then come back to try to get this out. What's up, guys? Today's video, we're going to talk about Stahls Hotronix unboxing. Now we're going to open this up. Let me get something to open it. I'm going to post a video about the finger, which I did open it properly. But this one, I'm going to open it properly because I took my time to actually go watch a video about how to open this. I don't have the right to, it seems like this seems too big, but we're going to make it work. She's giving me a hard time. I'm just trying to see what's in the box. What's in the box? There you go. We got one out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who counting? Come on, baby. Ah, push. It's like giving birth. That wasn't so hard. I think I kind of have the hang of it at this point. I jinxed myself. Workout for the day. Da, 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 da. What's the box? Hey baby, that look good. I feel like I'm opening a tombstone. I'm gonna find the treasure. It's like those Egyptians. I have this thing outside that open the tombstone, find jewelry. I'm gonna find a heat first of mine. Treasures of the Hotronix. Voila! Oh wow, there's a giant foot in here. Let me show you Bigfoot's footprint. See right there? That's Bigfoot footprint. So I'm gonna have to send that to the museum, make money for that because I found Bigfoot. So before I actually talk more about this, full disclosure, this was not sponsored by Stahls, but thank you to Stahls for making a good heat press because I love the heat press. She better make me some money, but she gotta go. Remember guys, I found Bigfoot footprint. You found it on my channel first. I feel like I'm performing surgery. So far, one thing I do see that I like, they actually added the bottom plating covers, which I had to purchase on my last ones. And this helps with the durability of the shirt, so you're able to actually fully put the shirt on here easy. They do have a rubber one, which I'm gonna show you later. But thank you for Stahls for including this. At least it was worth the money. Let's go to the other side. In case you wonder what this is, I don't know yet, but I do know for sure it's for these lasers. So these lasers actually get cut on, which help with registration on the plating. I believe this will help you with putting the lines on how you want to do stuff, which is going to help with registration. This light actually reflects on here. It shows you the lines you can use. And from what I know, you could actually turn each of them individually on. So I'm gonna show that in the next part of the video. So for right now, it's just the unboxing part of it. You do have a 16x20 plate, which is interchangeable. You can just lift this up and change it to a different one if you need to. So that's how easy it works. Bend the button and put it back. I was about to say wrong hole, but I got the right one. I believe this will be the cables for that. So in the box right now, we have power cords. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna figure it out. We have this, what you're gonna connect to this one, and then connect the other piece to the air compressor. One more thing that's inside the box is a foot pedal. And another thing that's in the box is basically the manual. Now I gotta make a call to my brother or somebody to come help me take this downstairs. Just a disclaimer, this shop is still getting worked on, so I'm going to have a shop tour coming soon. In the meantime, I'm just gonna do a bunch of unboxing why I get this shop ready. Now let me make that call so we have these sticking downstairs and I can turn it on and show you guys how this works. See you downstairs. What the fuck was that?
Why are you looking at that way?
Because it has screws. Did something break? Oh shit. Let's go. You got it? 1, 2. Yeah, this shit heavy as shit. You know it's heavier because I have this? That's crazy. You got it?
I got it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And it? Yep.
I'm definitely going to hire a moving company. So you want to put this way?
It's gonna come down regardless.
Y'all sure y'all got this?
Yeah. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
You good?
You good?
You got to squat.
This is where you talk about this is the downside of having your stuff in the basement.
You got it?
Go, keep going. You got it? Come on, put it down.
Take a break. The same way it takes to go down there is the same way it takes to build a business.
This is actually crawling out of the baby stairs.
In case you decide to buy this for your house, you need 3 or 4 people to carry this.
Come. I'll put it down. Watch it. Yep.
One step at a time.
One step at a time. Yep. Hold on. 2. Hold on. No, you're sweating over there. I'm ready. 1, 2. We're almost there.
Hold on.
No stop. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
I have to hold the whole way.
Put it down.
Sorry, the shop looks dirty right now. I'm organizing. Investors standing tables. I guess that's the lowest it gets. Low enough, right?
Yeah, low enough.
This wheels is definitely saving life because I don't know how I was gonna do it without these wheels. I was gonna pass out. I'm already out of breath. If you think about buying this, you need 4 people and a lot of space to walk past. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
You got it?
Oh, whoa.
Hold on. And come help you. Perfect. You gotta lift it up. You got it?
Yeah.
Bring it more towards me. Damn, I'm tired. One other extra thing about buying this, you need an air compressor, which I got California too. This one is a quiet one, so it doesn't make too much noise compared to the regular air compressor, which makes a lot of noise. And I'm trying to keep this shop a little bit more quiet. And I'll try to put a link to this if you want to buy this, and I'll cut it on so you can see what it sounds like. Trying to tighten this up. This goes there. Back. One more thing about this hip press that you need is a 240 dedicated line, which I had installed, and I just bought an extension to go from up there to this. So now I'm going to connect the foot pedal. So one good part about this hip press is it comes with a digital screen, which you can actually set your own preset. You can see right now it's set up on glitter. That's a custom one. So what you do, there's a page right here that basically has all the presets. So for example, let's say you was doing one of those thermofilm, you could click thermofilm. You could also use the pen to make it more easy. Set up how much pressure you want, how many seconds you want it to be, and you can also do the time. So for example, if I click on the time, I'm able to adjust the time if I needed to, which I don't want to do that right now. You could also set the lasers, which are those right there. You could also set the lasers in here by going through the settings, and you have the lasers. And once you're in the laser, you turn on whichever one you want on and off, because there are 4 of them. 1, 2, that's 2. That's 3, and then this will be 4. I could turn it back on, which should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. For example, if you just want one side on, you could turn off these ones, and then you select OK. And what that would do is it turns off the ones that you want. That one is on, this one is off. And you can see this side, that's pretty hot. This side has nothing on it. It is really hot because too much pressure, so it generates a lot of heat. This is going to be good for when I'm doing DTF film. I could actually preheat this because of the pressure. It's going to retain a lot more heat. I can put the shit on there to cure it, but I don't need that because I have a curing oven which I could use in case I needed to for something real quick, like for example a neck tag without having to cut that on. I could definitely use this to make the detail feel. I could actually hit the foot switch if I don't have anything over there. It comes back this way. I could also stop if I'm going left and right by pressing here. Right now it's basically saying it doesn't move back and forth. But once I press this, it goes to the other side. And if I have it like this, you can see there's a foot, meaning it will only change if I have a pressure foot. For example, if I should do this, it stays on the same place, meaning I will have to change it manually by pressing the pressure foot for it to go that way. Compared to if I had it this way, once I press it down, it automatically goes to the other side. One more thing that I like about this heat press is the fact that it's threadable. By that, let me actually demonstrate. You could actually thread it in easy because of this pad, which I'm glad they included in. It makes it easy to actually thread the shirt in so how you want it. You could do it on both sides. You could also go this way if you needed to go this way. That's one thing I like about this. It's threadable. And aside from that, like I mentioned earlier, you could also interchange the plate easy by just pulling this lever and you lift that up with a different size, and then you would just lock it. That's how easy it is to change this. Another thing that's good about this heat press is the fact that you could actually check online. They have a system online where you can actually see how much work was done for the day, how often these have been used. In case you have somebody working for you, you can see if they're doing work or not. I'm the only one who can see, so don't tell nobody I didn't do no work. Alright, so aside from that, this is probably like an emergency stuff. So quick release activated. Let's say I press this down and I could just do that and it will release instead of me actually like lifting it up. Let's say I do this. Instead of waiting for the 14 seconds, let's say I missed something, I could just press this and it pops that open. The reason I felt like I needed another press is because I do a lot of DTG, which is this right here, which I will cover that in a different video. The main reason I actually decided to get another one is because I only have one. Stahls Hotronix. I have this machine by itself, and when I do DTG, I have to pre-treat, press the pre-treat on it, and then I have to cure, which is be put in here for it to dry the pre-treat. From there, I will have to take it to get it printed, and once I get it printed over there, I have to come back over here to actually cure the shirt. It's just too much work. So now that I have that other press, I don't even know if it's just gonna get a lot of use. It is for right now until I get a conveyor dryer. Don't feel too sad. You still got some use to do. Don't be jealous now. My new baby that's now here. She's still favorite right now. I still love you though. I'm just gonna take it from here and put it here to cure the shirts. The advantage with that is once I print the second one, I can carry that from here to the other one, meaning I can have two things going on. One other added feature that is good with this is I could actually cure the DTG, and at the same time I could be doing some vinyl work over here. If I use the cutter and I cut the vinyls, I could put that over here and I'm curing the vinyl, and on this side I could cure the ink. I can have two things going on at the same time. This could be for necktie, where I'm doing this for just the shirt, or this could be for the shirt, I'm doing sleeve. I have to buy some more interchangeable plating that I can use for this, which will be the one for the sleeves, one for the neck tag, and some ones for hat, because I do a lot of hat. I don't know if you can see, I have a bunch of hat all the way over there, because I do a lot of hat. So I'm definitely going to need some more plating for hat. Now that it's two sides, I can have somebody helping me. If I'm doing one side, someone can stand right there and I stand right here. And if we're probably doing like a DTF transfer, I could load it from here with the transfer. Once the person over here loads theirs, do it, they can press it, and once it comes back to me, do it, load it, peel it off, just back and forth, two people could have a job running. You could probably hear the air compressor that was not so loud. I'm not sure you're gonna hear that loud. That's why I love this. As of right now, I love it. Just need to fire it up, get some projects going, and then I can literally tell you if it's a good fit. If you want to see more of this type of videos, I have more content coming on the way. The shop is getting situated, so that's why you have this in the shop. So, and just to everybody, I didn't just start. I wish I recorded the whole process. I just decided to do this later. It may seem like I'm a trust fund baby or have some type of inheritance. Probably dating somebody that got money. Still got money though, but hey, that's beside the point. I still bought it with my money. I just wish I had more videos to show you guys the process. I was just too shy to start YouTube. I'm going to have tips, tutorials, and teach you guys everything that I know to help you get to the level I'm at. So if you want to see more, hit the like button so I could post more, because that's what's going to motivate me to post more, because without likes, I don't feel like this thing is going anywhere. Like, comment, hit the subscribe button, because I got a lot coming. Definitely think you want to see what I got coming. So be ready for the next video. I would like for you to write in the comment how far along you are in your journey, so I have to have an understanding of what you got going on. Signing out. This is Berlin for Printpire. Thank you for watching the video. Appreciate you guys. Lord Jesus. Ain't that some shit? I gotta take a couple takes. If you decide to do YouTube, it's an actual job. So you might want to take a single day just to take a YouTube video, because this is a lot of work. And this is just half the battle. The real battle is actually editing the videos, which I'm glad I have somebody at the back of the camera that can actually help me with that. So that's good for me right now. But
how much are you paying the person behind the camera? Okay, cut.